Is your C6 Z06 displaying the dreaded key fob not detected message? This often prevents starting the car and is a common issue in 2005 to 2013 models. The problem arises from the vehicle's immobilizer system failing to recognize the key fob's RF signal. Start with the simplest solution: replace the key fob battery. The CR2032 battery typically lasts 2 to 4 years but degrades faster with heat. Pry open the fob, a screwdriver often helps, and swap the battery. If that doesn't work, the antenna ring around the ignition switch might be the culprit. This ring receives the fob's signal, and corrosion or damage can disrupt reception. Use a multimeter to check continuity. Resistance should be less than 1 ohm, and clean or replace the ring if necessary. These DIY fixes have a high success rate. If a new battery and antenna ring don't solve the problem, try a push-start reset. This resyncs the fob with the car's computer and involves cycling the ignition key in the door lock or using an OBD2 scanner to clear fault codes like P1639. Affordable scanners like Blue Driver can help diagnose the issue by reading and clearing fault codes. Blue Driver is an affordable scanner that connects to your phone for easy diagnostics. If the problem persists, it could indicate a deeper issue with the engine control module or body control module. These may require professional diagnosis or even replacement. For older C6 models, consider aftermarket immobilizer systems as a longer-term solution if resets are only temporary. Expert opinions suggest antenna ring corrosion is a primary cause, so preventative measures like sealing can help avoid future issues.